forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, lows tonight 26 to 31 over the area. We'll get perhaps a few holes in the clouds, but when I was looking at a cross section of the atmosphere, boy, these low clouds are just pretty locked in. So it's not going to be a lot of clearing tonight, but at least we'll have some holes here and there. And where you get the holes in the clouds, you drop into the 20s. Where you stay completely overcast, you're likely just going to hover around 30 or 31. But there could be some patchy fog in places. 44 tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy. I'm leaning more towards mostly cloudy than any sort of partly cloudiness. But again, some holes in the clouds are possible with a southwest breeze blowing with highs upper 30s to mid 40s. Upper 30s where it stays pretty cloudy all day, and if you get some good holes in the clouds, more like 40s. Even some mid 40s like Covington 45, but only about 40 Winnemac and only about 41 at Monticello. Wednesday, some patchy fog in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy, southwest breeze, and 52. Not bad for the time of year with 48 to 55 doing it area-wide. Coolest in our northeastern counties and warmer as you go southwestward. Precision cast shows a lot of cloudiness around for tomorrow and somewhat tomorrow night. You know, even into the early part of Wednesday, then we become partly cloudy, and eventually we're going to go mostly sunny for part of Thursday, the brightest day of the week, it appears, before we go back cloudy again on Friday. But it will be a warm wind with those clouds on Friday, with rain coming in Friday night, rain into Saturday morning, but then the rain tapers Saturday afternoon. A little dry slot here where we may get a couple breaks in the clouds, and then a few scattered snow showers Saturday night into Sunday morning, but it doesn't look like a big deal. Then a bigger storm comes in later next week that'll bring widespread rainfall to the area. So rainfall wise, this is Friday night to Saturday. Much of the area is looking like about 3/4 of an inch of rain, but there'll be a few locations that exceed 1 inch as the warmth moves eastward. Boy, this is tremendous record warmth here in parts of the plains, some places in the 60s today. And that warmth will continue for several more days, and it will keep moving eastward. It won't be that warm here, but we're still going to be about 20 degrees above normal in the area by the end of the week. Then behind the storm, temperatures are normal, but notice to the west, here come the above normal temps again. The warmth comes back in. So even though we cool off a little bit after these 50s, we cool off to 38 Sunday and 41 Monday, mid to late next week, we could be back well into the 50s to around 60.
Man, I'm not complaining about that 55, 57 degrees. That sounds nice for December. Thanks, Chad.